Scarlett Barnett. I'm the Education Officer for Atom Victoria. The Youth Media Festival is a wonderful event for students from years 8 to 11 to come together and hear from industry professionals and to get involved with hands-on workshops, things like radio, 360 video editing. We even have a VR instrument here with us on the day, radio, and ethical content from Oxfam. So it's really an opportunity to celebrate and support young content creators from Melbourne and around. A lot goes into organising an event like this. It's been months in the coming. We work with presenters, so people from Adobe, TED's Cameras, Acme, Oxfam, all the different areas who are coming together. We coordinate with them on what the content will be. We also work with the schools in terms of organising ticketing for them, programs, run sheets, and we have a lot of volunteers on the ground as well. A lot of people came together to help. So we have people from RMIT who are graciously hosting us, and people from Atom, from the organisation, and some student teachers volunteering as well. So that's just a few things that go into it. It's actually a big thing. Other than the activities, the students can expect to see an opening presentation with Claudia San Giorgi Delamore, who is a music video filmmaker and documentary filmmaker and all-round creative butterfly. She's amazing. We also have an industry insights panel at the end of the day, so we've got different industry professionals from different areas who are coming together to give a bit of a discussion. They can tell the students about what their career paths are like, because there's many different paths in the creative industries. And we have a VR instrument at lunchtime, which is called Noise Draws. It's a way to play instruments through VR, which is very cool. I think it's supremely important to have events like this for young people, because the creative industries need to have the next generation come through with their voice and their way of telling stories, and this is a way to support them and encourage them to do that. The creative industries is a wonderful and very dynamic place to express yourself and to have a career. So an event like this supports students by giving them an idea of how they can move forward with their creativity and their storytelling. My advice for young people who are wanting to get into creative industries would be to stay curious, keep learning, maintain that passion and that fire you have, and maintain a sense of self. You're going to learn a lot, you're going to see a lot of other people working in a lot of different ways, but just be true to yourself. Learn everything you can and then do it on your own, in your own way.
I'm from Narrowwarren South P12 College, and we're making stop animation films and learning about the setup of filmmaking and stuff.
Hi, my name is Prishta. I'm from Dandenong High School. I'm really enjoying today the opportunities that we have today about film and filmmaking and media. I'm enjoying it really.
I'm from St. Joseph's College in Echuca. And this has been a great day, so it's lots of fun.
I did a 360, it was just a workshop all about how to put together a 360 video, which programs you can do it in. I don't remember the name of who it was run by, but he did a very good job of showing us what it was all about, how to do it, and in the end we had a little interactive segment, which I really appreciated, because I got to have a taste of what it might be like in the industry working with that sort of stuff, and it was great for me.
Sachara.
Alex.
And what workshop have you done today?
Radio.
I did photography. What did they entail?
So we did what you do in a radio show and how it all works and how to make one.
And you? We learned the features of a camera and and how to use it.
We're from St. Joseph's College Echuca, and we're learning more about animation to extend our skills.
What school are you from?
I'm from St. Joseph's Echuca.
And what workshop have you done today?
I did the first one, which was one where a film director came and spoke to us, and a VR one, which was pretty cool.
What did you do in those two activities?
In the first one, we just listened to the director talk about how she got to where she is now, and the VR one, we got to play around with the VR headset, which was pretty cool.
Nice. And have you enjoyed today?
I have. It was very fun, and I learnt plenty of stuff, so that was cool.